welcome lahat
as a Denso.
sa Ishimoto,
We are looking
Pangasinan.
forward to support Ishimoto and
I'm
growth
very happy
together.
to work with you.
Welcome to the Ishimoto Denso Diesel Calibration Center.
Good afternoon everyone. Ako po si Jerry Balboa dito sa Ishimoto Philippines now. Andito na kami sa Ordaneta, Pangasinan. I hope ipatronize nyo dito yung namin, company namin.
Kaya nandito ang Denso because of Ishimoto. So, welcome lahat sa Ishimoto, Pangasinan.
This is the first time na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong high-tech at very updated na Denso sanctioned na diesel calibration center.
Friends from Denso, thank you po at nandito ko supportang maipakita niyo po yung apat sila, dami nila. Tapos andyan pa buong grupo ng Denso. No? Maraming salamat sa inyo.
When I look at the building from outside, I feel very much, how to say, grateful and very emotional because this is the first service dealer that Ishimoto Philippines expand since planning since 2022.
I feel like this is a real my birthday gift to me. It's honor to be here and join this event.
I'm very happy to work with you because I think we can have a win-win relationship.
Opening the new shop is never easy. It takes planning, hard work, and teamwork.
You know, Jerry-san's policy is one of the solution for Philippine vehicle category. So that's why, again I say, Denso Philippines fully support Ishimoto. Anyway, congratulations. Thank you very much.
This establishment has something to do with calibration. But I suppose that this would be the first calibration shop in Ordaneta.
Let's create Ishimoto #1 history together with Denso. Trust is most important in our business. Pare, Sir Jerry, congratulations and appreciate you. See you next scene. Thank you. Ako po si Tanaka po.
We both company have a more big dreams to establish a nationwide service dealer network in Philippines with you. That's why Denso Philippines will always support. Hence, please collaborate with Denso Philippines more closely. Lastly, I'm sorry not to attend this ceremony. Instead, I will send a big love to you. Binabati kita talaga. Bye-bye.
This building and the shop where all those souvenirs is building, either as buyers or as sellers, so that by respecting justice and charity, they will see themselves as working for the common good.
Pagdating sa mga injectors at mga pumps, yun po talaga yung ano namin, yung specialist namin.
So dito tayo nagpapaayos ng ating mga trucks, mga makina, heavy equipment, pati mga SUVs, anything to do with diesels, mapapower, generator pa yan, lahat ng diesel pwedeng ipaayos. Basta Denso, sigurado ang kalidad.
Thank you very much to Ishimoto and Ishimoto Philippines and Ishimoto Pangasinan.
Ishimoto